Hi, Phil here with the 2008 GMC Sierra. We'll be upgrading the fog lights today to our SLF Fog Light Bulbs for a more modern appearance and increased visibility. Installation's super straightforward, should only take you a few minutes. Let's go ahead and get started. Now GM uses an H16 style bulb on most of their trucks, and to remove this you'll need to simply squeeze the clips on the side and then pull the bulb straight out of the housing. Once you have it out, you'll depress the tab on the back side of the socket to release the stock bulb, and then plug in your Diode Dynamics SLF. Now these bulbs are polar sensitive, so you'll want to double check before you button everything up that everything's running. If it's not, simply unplug and rotate your connector 180 degrees. Once you have that confirmed, place the bulb back into the housing and click into place. And then you want to secure your driver up out of the way. Repeat the process on the other side of the truck to complete your installation. Now that you have your SLF fog light bulbs installed, you'll have an increase in nighttime visibility as well as a more modern appearance thanks to the cool white color temperature. For more information on this product, visit us at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.